In this video, we're going to show you how a repair list is generated. Okay, in this scenario, we have categories of repair. Each category represents a contract. Okay, a category can be general repair, HVAC repair, or licensed or electrician or plumbing repair. Okay, so here we go into the general repair category, and then we add each repair item. Okay, for example, replace bathroom vanity and so on and so forth. Okay, and we tell we select the exact location where the repair item is. Okay, in this case, it's inside the house, first level, front right. Okay, um, so and we'll give it the exact estimated material type and amount needed. That's one vanity. Um, choose to upload the photos of repairs. Okay. In the interest of time, all these items have been done down here. All these are list of repairs with their associated photos. Okay, it's an ugly photo. Yeah, and that's an ugly house. Was an ugly house. Okay, look at the dated van. All right. Then we go back. Go back and go to a different category, which is the HVAC repair. So key, yeah. So in this scenario, we're going to replace the entire unit. And go back and click next, and we submit the repair list. And in this case, this is assigned to someone else to prepare the repair list. You can, of course, take over that function if you so choose. In this scenario, after we get our bids from contractors, we know exactly how much it costs. So here we're going to start the actual rehab itself. So we get to the repair category, which is a general repair category, and we see the bids, okay, for each repair category. Okay, and let's just say we select Tom, the repairman, to do our. So we accept the bid. Okay, it'll show up down there in the accepted bid history. So we go and manage the draw schedule. In an ideal scenario, the contractor will get everything done and you pay him in one lump sum. But most contractors live paycheck to paycheck, so you're going to split up the repair items into different draws. Okay, in this case, we're going to split it into 2 draws. Okay, you can split it up into however many draws you want. Each draw will have its own amount. Okay, we'll split it into two 1,000 repairs draw, and we select from the master list a repair item, and then put it into draw number 1. Click. Okay, and then we print out. What we do is we print out the list of repair under this draw. Okay, click on the printer and print it. As you can see, That's the list of repair under this drawer number 1. Okay, and we can click on the print photo of the repair item associated with this particular drawer. We can print it to. The reason why it has two buttons is because this will be printed onto a ColorJet inkjet if you so choose. So it eliminates ambiguity. Okay, this will serve as a contract. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. The next drawer, the second drawer, will add the second drawer item, second repair item into the next drawer. Okay, this is the list of this is the repair item that's added to the drawer number 2, and this is the photo, repair photo associated with drawer number 2. Okay,